In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted Google Sheets. Losing data in a spreadsheet can be really stressful, especially if you've spent hours putting it together. The good news is that Google Sheets keeps a detailed version history of your file, which means there's a very good chance you can bring back what was deleted, even if you didn't make a manual backup. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to do that step by step. First, open the Google Sheet that originally contained the deleted data. This needs to be the same file where the information used to be, even if it's now empty or looks different. If you're not sure which file it was, check your recent files in Google Drive and open the one you were working on around the time you lost the data. Once the sheet is open, look at the top left of the screen and click on the File menu. In that drop-down, hover over Version History and then click on See Version History. This will open a panel on the right side of your screen that shows all the saved versions of your sheet over time. Google automatically creates these versions as you work, so you don't need to have set anything up beforehand. Now you'll want to carefully review the previous versions to find the one that still has the data you need. In the Version History panel, you'll see a list with timestamps and sometimes labels if versions were named. Click on a version to preview it. The main sheet will update to show exactly what it looked like at that point in time, but don't worry, you're only previewing for now, not changing anything yet. Take your time to scroll through the spreadsheet and confirm that this version contains the deleted rows, columns, or cells you're trying to recover. When you found the version you want to bring back, look at the three dots next to that version in the panel. Click those three dots and then choose Restore this version. Google Sheets will ask you to confirm that you want to restore. Once you confirm, the entire sheet will revert to that snapshot. One important note before you do this: restoring a previous version will replace the current version of the sheet. That means any edits, additions, or formatting changes made after that older version will be lost. If you're worried about losing newer work, a helpful tip is to make a copy of the current sheet before restoring, so you can reference both versions if needed.